Hello everyone, welcome to the RPYQ analysis series. Today we will discussing about 2018's question. Our first question is Chrysopha is option A predator, option B parasite, option C protelian parasite and option D none of these. Basically Chrysopha is feed on aphid, okay? It is predator and it is feed on aphid and it is also feed on lac insect, okay? In this question, our correct answer is option A. But it is feed on aphid, it is beneficial. Okay. For farmer point of view, it is beneficial. But when it is feed on the lac insect, we all know the lac insect is beneficial insect. Okay. It is beneficial insect. And our beneficial insect is feed out by chrysopa, then it is harmful for farmer. Okay. It is harmful for farmer. Keep in mind when the feed on aphid, it is beneficial, and when it is feed on lac insect, it is harmful for farmer. Why it is harmful? Because lac insect is beneficial for us, and aphid, which is harmful for us. That's why it is beneficial. Okay. Move on to the next question. Next question is mango stone wobble pupates in. Option A, pulp of mango. Option B, inside the skin of fruit. Option C, stone of mango. Option D, all of these. Okay, in this question, they will ask about the site of pupation of mango stone weevil. And the site of pupation of mango stone weevil is option C, stone of mango. Mango stone weevil pupates in the stone of mango. Okay, mango stone weevil, it is important pest. And another question will may ask. Then move on to the mango stone weevil. Mango stone weevil, it is scientifically known as Turnochitus mangiferi, comes under family Circulionidae and order Coleoptera. As we all know, Circulionidae is the important family and largest family from order Coleoptera. In mangosteen weevil, the important objective is it is monophagous pest and it is quarantine important. Okay, it shows quarantine importance. It is quarantine importance and the adult weevil. This adult weevil which reproductively activate when the tree comes to the flower. In this picture, you can see that when the flower will come, these female adult are reproductive active and lay their eggs on the oviposit their eggs on the mango fruit or marble size fruit. This from the skin of marble size fruit, this female lay their egg. After that, after the hatching of this after hatching of this egg, the grub will emerge out and this grub feed on the pulp, bore into the pulp and feed on the whole pulp of mango and go inside the stone of mango and feed the inner content. As you can see on this picture, you can see as earlier, okay, this damage caused by mango stone weevil. After feeding this inner content, it pupate inside the stone of mango. Okay. In this question, are three objective, uh, three objective covered. Okay. First is their scientific name, family, their order, then it is monophagous pest, then their oviposition and site of pupation. Let's move on to the next question. Our next question is Meloidogyne species forms gall on. And options are A stems, on B leaves, option C roots, and option D all of these. Meloidogyne, it is nothing but the root knot nematode. Root knot nematode. And we all know that nematode generally endoparasitic in nature. Endoparasites. It is endoparasites. Okay, endoparasitic in nature and which is primarily feed on the root or it is attack on the roots and form the galls on the roots. That's why our correct answer is option C, root. Okay, and the question is the stage at which control measures are applied. This question asked in 2018 and 19 consecutive years. And options are option A EIL, option B damage boundary, option C GEP. GEP means General equilibrium position, option D. Economic threshold level. Okay, this question is very core question and it is totally based on concept. From this concept, our whole IPM, integrated pest management is best. That's why this EIL, ETL we can discuss. Okay, economic injury level. What is economic injury level? Economic injury level is nothing but the lowest population at which the pest will which cause economic damage. When the population density is very less and this less population caused economic damage, then it is called as economic injury level. We can draw here. Okay, this is EIL. That concept ETL. It is pest population density or yield, and it is time. When the pest population density, when the pest population density reaches to this point, then the economic damage will cause the yield loss is occur, or it is also called as the pest level, which damage cannot be longer or cannot be tolerated by plant. Therefore, it is the level or add before the control measure is initiated. If we did not initiate the control measure, then our total yield get vanished. Okay. The next concept is economic threshold level. It is an index of making pest management decision. As I earlier said that whole integrated pest management depend on this concept only. Okay, EIL is the highest level. Okay, it is highest level. Then ETL is nothing but the ETL is defined as the population density at which the control measure should be applied to prevent the increasing pest population to reach the economic injury level. ETL is the pest population density. As we earlier studied, EIL is havoc damage when the epidemic occur. When the epidemic occur or pest resurgence occur, the pest will go into the economic injury level. But the pest population density increasing through this point, up to this point, uh, it is the condition where we can use the preventive measure like cultural control, cultural control, mechanical control, physical control, or chemical control. It depends on the pest population level. But from this point, we can prevent the pest and the pest population decreases. Okay, as we can apply here as we can here pest management tactic, the pest will go on to the GEP or a damage boundary, the pest will decreases. Okay, in this question same thing will they will ask the stage at which control measures are applied, and our correct answer is option D, ETL. But question is the and from this point we can say that the relation between EIL and ETL can be expressed as when no action will taken. If from this point it is EIL and it is it is ETL and it is EIL. When if suppose the preventive measure not applied, then the pest will reaches to the EIL, and it is formulated that in this line. Okay, the relationship between EIL and ETL can be expressed as when no action taken at ETL stage and population reaches and exists to the EIL. Okay, next is general equilibrium position. General equilibrium position is nothing but the average population density of an insect over a long period and it is unaffected, just like that. Okay, it is EIL and it is ETL. And the pest population density at this stage, okay, it vary in between that. In a this pest population density unaffected to our plant. Okay, our crop condition. It is called as general equilibrium position. And damage boundary means nothing but the first population start initiation there. Havoc damage, it called as damage boundary. When the pest population start their damage is nothing but the damage boundary. Okay, next move on to the next question. Question is that a mustard is used as a trap crop in cabbage field for the controlling of. And options are cabbage head borer, B cabbage looper, option C cabbage butterfly, and option D black diamond moth. Okay, and correct answer is DBM, diamond black moth. Okay, answer is DBM, diamond black moth, Lutola xylostella. Next question is digestion of food in insects occur in option A foregut, option B crop, option C midgut, and option D hindgut. In this alimentary canal, foregut, their function is it is help in ingestion. Okay, it is help in ingestion and provide passage of food. Passage of food. While crop, it is a part of foregut and midgut. In this midgut, digestion and absorption occur. Okay, various enzymes are secreted in midgut, and they will help in digestion and absorption. While hindgut, it is perform work in excretion, as the malphizian tubule help in excretion in this alimentary canal. And our question is digestion of food. The correct answer is option C midgut, where digestion occur. Why digestion occur? Because of reaction of various enzymes. Okay, and in 2018, from same topic question, uh, they ask question about hindgut performs, and we discussed earlier, that is hindgut perform excretion. Okay, hindgut performs excretion. Our correct answer is option C. The next question, white strips on rice is due to option A GLH, leaf folder, option C gall midge fly, and option D yellow stem borer. As we all know, rice tumor virus, which is transmitted by green leafhopper. Leaf folder, it scratches the leafhopper. It scratches the chlorophyll content from the rice crop. And gall midge fly, it is gall forming fly. It comes under Sesidomidae family. Okay, and it forms gall. In this gall, sesidogen chemical is seen. Okay, which chemical, sesidogen chemical, is found in this gall. Okay, again, white ear or onion leaf symptom occur due to gall midge fly. In this question, they will ask about white strip. White strip occur due to yellow stem borer attack. Also, white ear or dead heart symptom occur due to yellow stem borer. It is also called a Collins disease, also occur due to yellow stem borer. Next question is skeletonization of leaves in castor is due to. And options are Mythemna separata, Agrotis epsilon, option C Spodoptera litera, and option D none of the above. As we all know, skeletonization of leaves occur due to Spodoptera litera. What we called it as a tobacco leaf eating caterpillar. Option C Spodoptera litura. Okay, next question is which among the following is not a part of insect list? This question they will ask in 2018, 2019, and 2022 also. And the options are A costa, B trochanter, option C scape, and option D tibia. The part of legs are basal segment or first segment, it is coxa. Then second segment, it is called as trochanter. Third segment, femur. Okay, it is third segment of insect leg, and it is strongest and stoutest segment from insect leg. Again, tibia, tarsus, pretarsus. Tarsus and pretarsus collectively called as tarsomere. It possesses tarsal claw and cushion pad, which is called as aroleum. Okay, and our question is not a part of insect leg. As we can see in this uh, image, the costa are the part of insect leg. Trochanter, it is also part of insect leg, but scape, it is not the part of insect leg, and hence it is our correct answer. Scape is the part of antenna, basal part of antennae. Okay, which is scape. Tibia is also part of insect leg. Okay, thank you. If you found this lecture is better, then like the session and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you.